Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you Microsoft Intune maps, right? So what is the map and how it can help you in your learning process, in your day-to-day use, day-to-day your operations as in whatever your role is in and around Microsoft Intune, that is going to be very helpful for you to dig into each topic on the deeper level and then gain the understanding, know the different things around that specific topic. And it is also going to help you to learn around each different topics which are relevant, which are in scope, which are really hand in hand working with Microsoft Intune, right? So this platform or this web portal is developed by one of the architect from Intune's, or he's the architect on Intune and other technologies into Microsoft ecosystem, right? And definitely he has built this from scratch. So this is a really great platform. And I wanted to show you in this video, and you can use this for your learning, for your daily usage, for your exploration, and gain the understanding and knowledge and everything together, right? So that is why I'm going to make this video and show you this completely. All right. So let me share my screen quickly here, and then you will be able to see it. All right. So let me go ahead and do that. All right. So this is the portal you can see here, right? And which is intunemaps.com, right? So this is built and developed by Shehan Pereira, which is or he is MVP on security side, right? So he has developed this site, and you can see he's MVP, and he has EMS root, other certifications, and all of that stuff, right? And so you can see that he has built this very great platform to see from the beginning, like planning, then device join, device enrollment, then policies around device management and applications, then applications, Windows updates, then device remote actions, what actions you can take, right? And then endpoint security, assignments, connectors, and tokens. Then Defender for endpoints, which is how you can onboard the devices and how you can take the other capabilities for the devices, right? And then the security copilot, right? So this is also very great platform, which is or which has come up after the copilot into the production and into the picture since almost more than 6 months now, right? And then there are other capabilities of Intune, which is Intune Suite, then troubleshooting guides, right? And you can how you can resource and resolve the issues if there are any issues, then tenant administration, and then resources. So this is the whole page or whole website that you can see he has built. Also, there are contacts for you to connect with him if in case you wanted to connect on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on GitHub, and this website as well, right? So this is his details, right? And now we will see each of these sections one by one. So let's say under the planning, you see all the different options here for us to go ahead and look into it. Let's say I wanted to understand what are the different licenses. So I'll simply click on that licensing section, and it is going to redirect me to the learn.microsoft.com page here. And it is going to redirect me to Intune licensing page. Here I can see there are different Intune license plans, Intune Plan 1, Intune Plan 2, then Intune Suite, and Intune for Education, right? And then other details about the licenses and all other capabilities of Intune, right? So isn't it very handy to go through and use it for our from the scratch, from the planning phase, and then gradually we can move ahead and work on it and any projects, be it Intune specific or any specific tasks that you wanted to achieve from Intune side, right? So let's go back. And similarly, you can also look into the network endpoints and planning guide if in case you wanted to go through the planning guide. So here's a planning guide for us, Microsoft Intune planning guide. right? So there are steps here you can see at the top from 1 to 7, and then you will get the related details as well. So this is pretty handy and useful for each and everyone, even if you are newcomers, new joiners, or you wanted to learn more about it. This is pretty uh, handy and standard, or it's going to be helpful for anyone to learn and explore on this, right? And this way you would be able to learn things from scratch. And even if you are confused, and even if you are not sure where to start, so this is going to be the one starter for anyone to start with, right? So now all of these are the clickable links. That means if you click on any of these links or any of these buttons here, those are going to redirect you to Microsoft Learning page here, right? And once you are on that page, it is going to simply give you the details about that specific page. So once you are on the page, you will see all the details, right? Definitely, these are the pages which are available on the internet directly. If you don't need any account or you don't need anything, right? And for those who are pretty new, they wanted to know and learn about it. Definitely, this is really handy. And when I saw this first time, I was very surprised, or this was very interesting for me to go through, and it was easy to find appropriate button what I'm looking for, and then click on it, and then it is going to see directly redirect me to that topic or that particular section wherever I wanted to go, and then I can look into it and work on my requirements, right? So this way it was pretty standard, pretty useful, and it is going to really be helpful for anyone, right? So yeah, this way we can go ahead and learn many things. We can work on any topics from the Intune side, and the purpose of this video was to just to show you how this platform is really helpful, and how this mapping site that is built by the Shehan Pereira, right? It's really helpful and useful, and the whole credit goes to him. And I'm just going to show you, or showing in this video, to how this is going to be helpful, and how you can use it effectively for your learnings, for your daily usage, and for your continuous work if you are working on Intune and in and around of Intune technologies or services, right? So yeah, that is the main goal here, was to show you. And you can use any of these. Let's say if you want to go policy, click on configure policy, and you will be redirected. So create a device profile in Intune. So that means you can see the different types of policies, and for different platforms, how you can create it, how you can monitor it, and all of that stuff from the scratch, right? And there are a lot many things to go about it and learn and work on it. So Intune itself is a very biggest platform. It is not a smaller, or it is not kind of one-time platform. It is very rich platform, and it is still growing, and it has a lot to offer for each and every requirements across the organizations, right? And you can definitely go through each of these sections, and as per your needs and requirements, you can definitely build out those policies, work on deployments, create policies, and then make sure organization is safe, secure, and you can take the further steps as and when needed, right? So yeah, that is all I wanted to show you, and definitely uh, go through this portal and use it for your daily routines, daily access, daily requirements. And definitely you will like it. You will be surprised to see what it has to offer, and then it is going to help you on your learnings, exploration, and your regular usage. So you don't have to struggle find a specific link whichever you are looking for on the Google or any other platform, right? Even today we have ChatGPT and kind of other AI tools, but still this is pretty one shop, one-stop shop for all related to Intune stuff, and is really going to be helpful for each and everyone, right? So yeah, this way you can make use of it, and this is really helpful. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Also do watch other videos around Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Teams, and Entra ID, then Microsoft Azure, as well as FinOps, right? And do share with your friends, colleagues, and whoever needs to watch and see. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.